Alright guys, so we are back at the boat. So I promised I wanted to talk about fish finders a little bit in this video and some other boat stuff, but particularly on fish finders. The boat came with a 300 TX Hummingbird, very basic, black and white, not real good fish finder. And I immediately noticed a problem as soon as I was kind of checking out the way that the guy had it set up on the trailer. So I just want to let you guys look at this here. So if you can see the bracket here, you see how this bunk of the trailer sits right here? The transducer bracket was actually mounted right here. So whoever in their infinite wisdom decided to mount this transducer here, it was basically sitting on the bunk of the trailer. So needless to say, if you didn't know that, it's not good to do that. So don't do it. It really needs to be in a spot that it's not sitting on that bunk. So I got a different fish finder and I did my own mount. So I'm just going to show you guys that here. So there's my mounting. Now, I was real careful to follow the manufacturer's recommendations as to where to mount this thing. Just gonna bring this in a little closer so you guys can see. So, looking through the bottom of the boat, we really want the transducer to be as close to this plane here as possible. Now, the manufacturer recommendations say that depending on the spin of your propeller, there's some certain places where it's actually okay to mount this thing, and we're within the spec. And so I've got this mounted up here. This is a Hummingbird Helix 5. So the immediate thing I did was replace the fish finder.